Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. Hey y'all, Alan, Old Grump's Garage. Previous video we mounted pedals and the master cylinders for the clutch and the brake system. Today we're going to complete the connection of the clutch master cylinder with the slave cylinder in the T56 that we harvested from the GTO in a previous video as well.
Let's get to it.
Hey guys. Alright y'all, let's talk about the T56 and its hydraulic clutch. This line here came out of the GTO. Got an adapter there going to an AN4 line that goes up to my Wildwood master cylinder. Now, in the GTO and in Cadillacs and stuff, you'll have a hard time seeing this, but on the transmission itself, there is the hydraulic line that connects to the throw-up bearing. This is your bleeder valve. So what we'll do, the procedure to bleed the clutch, is we'll have somebody push the clutch pedal down and hold it, open this, let it push out air, close this, let them pump the pedal again, and repeat that procedure. So that's what we're going to be doing. In the absence of my trusty assistant, pumped the pedal a couple times and I got a board cut just long enough to get between the seat frame and the clutch to hold it down so that I can then open that valve and let it bleed out some fluid, tighten it up and come back, take this off, pump the clutch pedal and do it again. Alright, so with that board in place, open up this valve. And you have very little access to do it. Close it off. Pumped our pedal, and now we're going to bleed it. So we're going to open this valve. I'm going to close it. Alright, so the pedal's been pumped a couple times, got it chocked down with the block. Open my bleeder. Okay. Loose it tight. Now that we've got the slave cylinder bled from underneath the truck as best we can, we're going to put a vacuum pump in the master cylinder. Draw a little bit of pressure and just let it sit. You can see some tiny little bubbles coming up, and that's what we're after. Doesn't require a lot of pressure to do this. We're between 0 and 5 at this point, just enough to pull fluid up and let those bubbles rise to the top. And you can see them, you look really close, you can see little tiny bubbles just creeping up through the hose. And once we don't see any more bubbles in the fluid, we can stop this process. Top off our fluid. And seal her up.